Welcome to this in-depth review of KanoPool, a reputable Bitcoin mining pool trusted by thousands of miners around the globe. KanoPool is known for its simplicity, reliable payouts, and commitment to transparency. Whether you're new to Bitcoin mining or looking for a dependable pool to maximize your returns, KanoPool could be the solution you've been searching for. KanoPool operates with a focus on decentralization and security. It uses a pay-per-share system to ensure fair distribution of rewards based on each miner's contribution. The platform also boasts low fees, making it highly competitive in the crypto mining ecosystem. Miners can enjoy consistent payouts and the ability to track performance metrics in real time. To get started, visit the KanoPool website and create an account. The user interface is straightforward, allowing miners to easily set up their mining rigs and connect to the pool. The website provides detailed guides and support to ensure a smooth onboarding process. One of the standout features of KanoPool is its emphasis on community. Miners can access forums and join discussions to share tips and experiences, fostering a collaborative mining environment. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. KanoPool also stands out for its transparency. All transaction data is publicly available, which helps build trust among its users. The pool's hash rate statistics, block rewards, and operational details are updated in real time, so you always know what's happening. Additionally, KanoPool system ensures that miners' contributions are accurately measured, providing fair compensation. For those concerned about security, KanoPool offers robust measures to protect your data and mining activity. It employs industry-standard encryption and safeguards to ensure a secure mining environment. Moreover, the platform's low fees and no minimum payout threshold make it an attractive option for miners at all levels. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting your crypto journey, KanoPool is a reliable and efficient way to enhance your Bitcoin mining experience. Dive into the platform today and unlock the potential of decentralized mining. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated on more insightful reviews and tutorials.